So in front of me, I've got the gorgeous Frangipani tree. Now the beauty behind Frangipanis, they have a beautiful flower. You can get these in an array of colours. They'll also give you a gorgeous scent towards the tree itself. The one thing that we're going to be chatting today is the ideal position that you should have for this Frangipani tree here in Victoria. For Frangipanis, they love to be in an area where there is heaps of sun. The ideal spot you want to be planting these in is in an area that's next to a tin shed or close to a brick wall where there's heat that's just being generated in there. The biggest problem with Frangipanis here in Victoria is the frost that we get through the colder months of the year. The trick to these is actually wrapping a blanket around it to protect it from the cold weather. If you do pop these in a pot, what I recommend you in winter, bring them inside or underneath a veranda or in a protected area and then take it back out during the summer. So this is the Frangipani. It's definitely going to add a beautiful tropical feel towards your garden. They don't need a lot of water, so they are really hardy. And again, the main thing about this is the more sun, the better.